We'll guide you through how to check screen time on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So you may have found about once a week or so, you go and get a notification about how much time you spend on your iPhone. But what we can do is we can go and check that beforehand. And what you can also do is go and see the breakdown. So you can go and see the time spent on different apps, whether it's productivity, social, and you can see the different categories. And you can see some other useful info as well. So make sure this is full guide so you'll be able to go and check and see your screen time. So to get started, what you need to do is you need to go and open up the settings app on your iPhone. As you can see, it's just on this main page. What you then need to do is go and open it up like so. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for screen time. As you can see, here it is. And then what you want to do is go and tap on it. Now at the top here, you're going to go and see your screen time. As you can see, my daily average is 1 hour, 8 minutes. If you go and tap on see all app and website activity, you can then go and tap day. And you can then go and see how much time you've actually spent today, which is useful. And you can go down and see the most used apps. You can use it by the week as well. And you can go and see how much time you spend on it each day.